Hi guys, and welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, Naija News and Entertainment. 3 things you need to know about Rosie, Chris and Sylvia. Frankly speaking, this ultimate love reality show won't be complete without mentioning Rosie, Chris and Sylvia. These 3 ladies made the show what it is today because of the high rate of humiliation and rejection they face. Let's take a close look at their life. Number 1. Rosie was rejected by David after they already planned to be together and search for their ultimate love. But David rejected her at the last minute without a single word. Outside that, David kept on nominating her to be out of the show, but she never for one day nominated David. But what happened? God bless her with a man called Kachi that won't set his eyes on her. Kachi even went on to the extent of accepting to be the father of all her children outside wedlock. Surely this is a true definition of love. Second person, Chris. Chris was rejected by Uche because of her age, and that got people talking if being old is a barrier to love. Recall that Rosie is older than Kachi, and it wasn't a barrier for them. Have you ever been rejected in your presence? That feeling always makes you to take a close look at yourself. You start wondering if there's something wrong with you. Chris displayed high sense of maturity and even begged Uche to stay, but he refused. Honestly, such behavior can't be linked to a truly African woman, but she has to because she's a lady that knows what she wants in life. At the last stage, when it was time for her to check out of the show, God bless her with a man that won't stay a second without kissing her. Although Chris and Chrisville started as friends before graduating to lover, but he never for one day allowed Chris feel less a woman or important. Lastly, Sylvia practically begged for love at the national television for millions of views. Jerry treated her as if she's the worst person on the earth. Now look at Sylvia's life. She's glowing day by day with Chidi. Jerry judged Sylvia based on her past life, which they didn't disclose to the viewers. But from viewers' understanding, it won't be more than hook up or seeing her where he wasn't expecting her to be. But the question still remains, what was Jerry also doing at the same place he saw Sylvia that made him to be judging her like that? Chidi was brought for Sylvia and they started catching feelings for each other as if they have known themselves from ages. Love is a beautiful thing and it doesn't worth it when you are the wrong person. Rosie, Chris and Sylvia was initially with the wrong set of men at the Ultimate Love reality show until God blessed them with the right one and they started glowing daily without pretense of faking life. These 3 ladies share similar things in common, which are: 1. They are strong both physically and emotionally. 2. They are lovely, caring, beautiful and gorgeous. 3. They are blessed and have high sense of commitment. Despite being rejected at the beginning of the show, behold, they all made it to the final stage, and all the men that rejected them have all been evicted. Wow. So guys, this is what I want to share with you guys today. I hope you enjoyed it. Please drop your comments in the section below, and if you are new, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notifications when a story drops.